In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem of your sniping tool not working. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, the sniping tool here on our PC is an application or a tool that helps us to screen record our desktop or our laptop background, like our desktop screen, and it also helps us to take screenshots of some important photos here on our PC. So this video basically is an educational video. Ensure you watch through the step-by-step tutorial. So what you need to do, if your sniping tool stops working automatically, what you need to do, you need to head over to your Windows tab, right? Click on this settings. Once you have clicked on it, wait for it to open. Yeah. Once it has opened now, what you need to do, you need to click on these apps, right? Once I've clicked on these apps, you'd click on these apps and features. Once I've clicked on it, come on to this search box and type in sniping tool. Exactly. So I would click on this tree icon. I would click on advanced options. You don't need to do much things here, right? So this is the settings you should leave with it. Then you scroll down. What you need to do, you need to click on this repair, right? If your sniping tool just stops working automatically due to some problems, you need to come on here and click on this repair. Don't click this, don't click this, don't click it. Just click on this repair. Once you have clicked on it, your sniping tool will start working effectively again. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.